morning students. In the last class we have seen that Mendeleev's basic criteria, his explanation and his achievements, and we have seen the disadvantages of limitations of Mendeleev. Mendeleev, he has chose the basic criteria as the elements atomic mass, and he has grouped the elements with the same properties. And what else he did? His explanation, he has grouped the elements based on that how it reacts with oxygen and hydrogen, and among that he has grouped that 63 elements with increasing order of atomic mass, and the elements are grouped together as A, B, with the same properties. And we have seen how the groups have come. Groups in the vertical column, horizontal rows it is period. And what are his achievements? He has given path for the future scientist. He has left a gap, and it has helped the future scientists that elements are there, we have to discover, and whichever they have discovered, it has the similar property of those like Eka boron, Eka silicon, Eka aluminium, all these things. So this helped him, the future scientist, to make this Mendeleev periodic table a successful one. And then he has given a path for a separate column for noble gases, because it will not react with oxygen and hydrogen. When they discover that, it has been given a separate column for the modern noble gases. So these are the achievements of Mendeleev. And what are his limitations? He cannot give position for hydrogen, which has the character of alkali metals as well as halogens. And the isotopes, he cannot give isotopes because it has same atomic number but different mass number. So he cannot give position for the isotopes. And he has grouped some similar and dissimilar molecules. This was the disadvantages of Mendeleev. Then comes the modern periodic table. It was created by Henry Moseley. And how he has overcome the disadvantages? First, the position for hydrogen. In the modern periodic table, you can see page number 86. I will also show it. In the modern periodic table, the hydrogen's position was given. Hydrogen has the character of alkali metals as well as what? Hydrogen. In the last class I have said, hydrogen has the character of both alkali metals as well as halogens. This is a metal character and this is a non-metal character. This is hydrogen ion, it becomes hydride ion. So non-metal character. So what it acts, for example, HCl like NaCl. It has a character of alkali metals. Here NaH like NaCl like halogens. So it has a character of both alkali metals as well as halogens. It acts as either alkali metal or halogens. Why I am saying either or? One, if sometimes it may be metal or non-metal. It cannot have both the characters. It is not a metalloid. So it can act as both as alkali metals as halogens, but it is not a metalloid. Once it will be a metal, or either it will be a metal or it will be a non-metal. So what happened? So how he has overcome that? What he did he has placed the element, this hydrogen, above the alkali metal. So lithium, sodium, potassium, you can see page number 86. Hydrogen has been placed above sodium, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, all these things. So this is alkali metal. He has placed chlorine, bromine, iodine, all the 6. So 17th group, if you see, it has yellow color. What is the color? Yellow. It will be green in color. You can see the book. Okay. In order to show which one is metal and which one is non-metal. Green color is metal and yellow color is non-metal. Here, he has given yellow color. He has given yellow color. But these are green in color. It is yellow color. So, he satisfied the position of hydrogen above the alkali metal because it has a character of alkali metal. So, he has placed not attached. So, it satisfied alkali metal. And it has a character of non-metal. So, he has given us yellow color. Can you understand what I am saying? So, he satisfied both the things. It has similar property like alkali. So, it has placed above the alkali and given the color of halogens, that is non-metals. So, it has both the characters. That is what is mentioned. So, the hydrogen position was overcome by placing it above the alkali metal and giving the color of halogens. Okay, that is what he did. So, the first disadvantage was overcome by placing hydrogen above alkali metal and giving the color of halogens. Okay, so first limitation was overcome. He has overcome that disadvantages and he made it a better one. So hydrogen has given a unique place, a separate place, but it has the character of alkali metal, so it is placed above and the color of the halogen is given. Okay, that is the first one. Second one, what is that? He cannot give position for isotopes. What are isotopes? For example, oxygen. Okay, oxygen has atomic number 8 and the mass number is 16 and one more is 18. Okay, like that it has different mass. So, if the problem arises, then we choose the atomic number. He didn't choose atomic number. Atomic mass. So if you choose atomic mass A, then it will be a problem. So he has chose his basic criteria is he has chose atomic number as the increasing atomic number only he chose as a basic criteria to arrange the elements. So he arranged the elements based on the atomic number, not the atomic mass. So isotope problem also satisfied. So he has overcome the second limitation of Mendeleev by choosing atomic number as his basic criteria. So here now second limitation was also overcome. So he has given the position of hydrogen and he has chose atomic number for arranging the elements. So his second limitation also was overcome. Okay. Then the third one is some elements have same and dissimilar. Okay, similar and dissimilar has been placed and lighter elements, heavier elements has been placed. Here the problem has been solved by choosing the correct increasing order of atomic number and he has grouped the elements. Okay, elements are arranged based on atomic number. Okay, atomic number. And second one is he has grouped the elements with same characters. What is the character? Same valency, same number of electrons. Same number of electrons are present in the group. Okay, in the group. Okay, top to bottom. Okay, top to bottom has the same number of electrons are present and it has same valency. I'll teach you in detail. Okay, so he has grouped the elements with the same number of electrons. That means they will have the same character. For example, For example, lithium, okay, and sodium. He has placed, and hydrogen. Hydrogen, lithium, sodium. He has grouped in the first group. Group means from the top to bottom. So, for example, the atomic number of, okay, atomic number is Z, is represented. Atomic number is 1, here 3, here it is 11. How can you arrange the elements? Okay, see here only one electron is present, so it will be in the K shell. When you see here, lithium has 3 electrons. So how we can fill it? Now studied in 9th standard. Again I will recall, 2 electrons only can be in K shell. Remaining how many will be there in K shell? 1. And here 11 electrons. So 2 electrons in K shell, 8 electrons in L shell, and 1 electron in the M shell. When you see, okay, outermost shell, only one shell in this, it is K, it has one shell, 1 electron, okay, here 2 shells, but outermost electron valence shell is L, it has 1 electron. When you see M, it also has 1 electron in the outermost. What is outermost shell? The electrons which is present in the outermost, okay. So here it has been inner shells are filled. These are the outermost shell. All the shell has 1 electron, okay. And the nature of giving electrons will be 1. It will lose its 1 electron. It also. Okay, you leave this hydrogen. This also will become H plus. You see, they are ready to give 1 electron. So when you see, the outermost electron will be same, but they will increase by 1 unit of shell. See here 1 shell, here 2 shell, here 3 shell, LT shell. The 3 shells, okay, all that elements have outermost 1 electron, and the nature of giving electron also will be 1. So the same only next one. So for example, beryllium and magnesium. If you see second group, it will have 4 electrons, and this will have 12. So same 2, 2, 2, 8, 2. So outermost shell has same electrons, and giving nature also same. It will have 2 plus character. We will see in detail. Okay. So what is the thing I want to tell you is, the group, he has grouped the elements based on the number of valence electron and their valency. This will have 2 plus. This will have 1 plus. When you see, I will teach you in detail. You can understand better. So they will have same valency, and that is what is he has chose to group the elements. Okay. So this is the basic criteria, okay, of that. So all the 3 limitations were overcome by this modern periodic table. What is the basic criteria? He has chose the atomic number as his basic criteria, and grouped elements based on their outermost shell has same number of electrons, and they have same valency. Okay, that is what is basic criteria. And what is the periodic law? The periodic law has been stated as periodic law, modern periodic table. We have seen that periodic law for most Mendeleev's also. Here the same only, periodic, the properties of elements. Okay, periodic law, the properties of elements or the periodic function of their atomic numbers. So the properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic numbers. When you see the tabular column, you can see first element in the first period. Okay, horizontal to only 2 elements will be there. Hydrogen. Okay, here hydrogen, and this side if you see, it is 18th group, helium. So atomic number 1, and here it is 2. The next one is 3, lithium. Okay, beryllium, Then here it comes boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. And you see it will be increasing order of atomic number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the way the elements are arranged in the increasing order of atomic number. Okay, and they have same character. When you see, they will all have same number of valence electron. The valency will be same. That is what is said here. So the properties of the elements, the characters of elements will be periodic function, regular interval of. So first one is 1 plus, second one is 2 plus, third one is 3 plus. Like that, it have regular interval of atomic number difference, and the character also will have regular interval of things. So 1 plus means next to 2 plus, 3 plus and 4, then 3, 2, 1, like that it goes on. So that regular interval only they have placed the elements based on the valency as well as the atomic number. That is what is said in the periodic table. So the properties of elements, the characters of elements will have periodic, regular interval, only the valency also will be and the atomic number also will be. So based on the atomic number only it has been framed. So you should learn the periodic law. This is modern periodic law. Before that we have seen this periodic law of Mendeleev's. This one is Henry Moseley's. Then how many groups he has? Today we are seeing the basic thing how he has filled the elements. We will see the trends. He explains how he arranged the elements. What is the thing behind it? Everything we will see in the next class. Here we will see how he has arranged, okay, the position of elements in the periodic table. We are going to see. Next one is position of elements in the modern periodic table. First one is there are 18 groups. How many groups? 18 groups are there. Okay, groups means top to bottom. Top to bottom. So from the top to bottom, okay, there are 18 groups. And how many periods you know? 7 periods. How many periods? 7 periods from left to right. So how many groups are there? There are 18 groups are there. And how many periods? 7 periods. Okay, how many elements are arranged? 118 elements are arranged based on this thing. And the basic thing is atomic number is chosen. The next one is, already I told you know, the group of the elements, how he has arranged the elements, no? Okay, here same, we will have same number of valence electron. From the top to bottom, it will have same number of valence electron. And valency will be same. The valency will be same. Okay, so group, he has arranged the elements based on the same number of valence electron, valency, and they will be increasing by 1 unit in the outermost state. First lithium we have seen now, hydrogen has only K shell, that is first period. Second one it has, that is lithium, 2 shells. Next one it has 3 shells. So from top to bottom it increases by 1 shell in, from top to bottom. That is group. The next one is period. See, period he has, that is horizontal, no? Period he has arranged the elements, okay, increasing number of, okay, electrons. But first period means only, first period will have only 1 shell. First period we have only one shell. Okay, for example, K shell, and it will be completely filled. For example, hydrogen and helium only it is there in the first period. Okay, how many electrons? See how many elements? 2. Then you see it will have 1 and it will have. So K capacity is 2. So it increases by 1 unit. Atomic number it increases by 1 unit. Okay, it will have same number of shells. Same number of shells. Atomic number increases by 1 unit. So atomic number increases by 1 unit. Okay. For example, I have given now. So lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. So third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From this onwards it will be in the 13th group, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18th group. Okay. And you see here that atomic number, see 1 only will be increasing. So the atomic number will be increasing by 1 unit. Okay. And it has the same shell. When you see here, it will be always have 2 shells. Okay. KL. So K2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, 2 7, 2 8. So it will have only 2 shells, but atomic number increases by 1 unit. So they have same number of shells. Same number of shells, but increases by 1 unit, 1 electron it increases. That is what I said. I will say this in detail in the next class. So what are the things we have seen today? We have seen how the modern periodic table has overcome the limitations by choosing the atomic number. Okay. To give the position for isotopes. There is no problem of isotopes when you choose atomic number. He has given position for hydrogen above alkali and given the color of halogens. So same character he has chosen based on the valency and valence electron. So there will be no confusions in arranging the elements. Okay. And he has given the periodic law. Periodic law says that the properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic numbers. Atomic numbers. Then what are the things he has chose as his in his explanation? How he arranged the elements, the position of elements in the modern periodic table. How many groups are there? 18 groups. How many periods are there? 17 periods. Okay. In the group, the number of valence shell increases by 1 unit, but it has same number of valence electron. The valency will be sitting there. In period, the horizontal row, okay, it increases by 1 unit of atomic number. 1 electron will increase, but it has same number of shells. It will be completely filling the individual shells. First K shell is filled, next one is K and L will be filled, next K, L, M will be filled. That we will see in detail in the next class. Thank you.